morning, guys. It is September 22nd, 2020. This one here, I got a call from a guy. He's got a storage tank, or I think it's an aqua bank that's there. It's one of those stone-lined Vaughn aqua banks, and he says it's starting to leak. So we'll have to go by there and scope it out and maybe give him a price on changing it out if it's a leaker. It's a leaker. We'll have to check it out and see what's going on with that. Difference between a storage tank and an aqua bank. An aqua bank works off the tankless coil on a boiler. Like on an old boiler have a tankless, then you can go with an aqua bank. If you don't have a tankless coil in a boiler, then you have to go with a storage tank, and the storage tank has its own coil in it. So an aqua bank has no coil, so it's all domestic hot water. Then you got to use a bronze circulator, you know, to feed that thing, to circulate the water through the tankless. I think a storage tank is a better setup than an aqua bank. They seem to last longer. And but them are the two. That's the two different styles of water heaters that you could hook up with an oil-fired boiler. Now, if you got a gas boiler, obviously it don't have a tankless coil in it, unless it's a real old one. So then you have to go with a storage tank. But this is an oil-fired boiler. I believe it's an aqua bank there. This way you guys know the difference between the two. Aqua bank has no coil. A storage tank has a coil to separate the boiler water from the domestic water. There you go. If you don't know, now you know. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish. Want to drive? You want to drive? Oh yeah, you love driving. You want to drive? You want to drive? I don't think I can open the window for you. It's a little nipply out there.
In 1 mile, turn left on Sawbrook Drive.
It's a little nipply out there this morning. Definitely leaking there, huh?
I can tell if it's, yeah, it looked to me like it was coming out of all of these.
It looks like it might be coming out right there.
So I figured I should call you.
Just started leaking?
I didn't notice it before I left, so it was a week ago. Could it have been leaking a little bit? Maybe, but I didn't notice this.
Yeah, so
because I know I check on that like almost every...
Yeah, and this is kind of getting wet over here too.
Yeah.
So it's got the bronze. It is an aqua bank. The coil is in the boiler here.
Okay.
So we could leave that part. I mean, we just have to get another aqua bank. Because that seems to be fine still, right? I mean, that's not leaking, or is it?
It's been there for a while.
All right, well, we can leave that. The difference between an aqua bank and a storage tank. An aqua bank doesn't have a coil in it.
Okay.
So you have a bronze circulator or a stainless circulator, and then you use the coil from the boiler to heat the water up, right? Because you got to have a separation between the two. Yeah. A storage tank would have another coil in here, and you'd have to put another zone in. But I think we should go back with the aqua bank.
Okay.
What do you think?
I agree.
Yeah, because if we went with a storage tank, then we'd have to, you got zone valves here. Yeah, you got all zone valves. Yeah, so it's not leaking really bad, but it's definitely
I'd rather be ahead of the game.
Yeah. We'll put it up on some blocks. We'll get some blocks for the new one. Put it up on blocks. And... All right.
It's been here a while.
Yeah.
Or two.
Cold comes in. Cold comes in there. And the recirc is there off that side. Cold comes in, hot comes in on the very bottom to heat it up through that control, and then the hot water comes off the top here to feed. It's 3/4. Yeah, 3/4. I'll get the relief on the back there. Alright, we'll get you some info on it.